Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share your location from iPhone to Android. Alright, let's begin. So you might be trying to figure out how to share your location from an Android phone to an iPhone. Doing this is actually very simple. The first thing I recommend is downloading the Google Maps app on both devices. If you're using an Android phone, Google Maps is already built in. On an iPhone, Apple Maps is the default. But I still recommend downloading Google Maps because it works great and you can use it temporarily for this purpose. Start on the device you want to share the location from. You can share between both devices, but let's begin with one. For example, if I want to share my location from my iPhone to my Android using Google Maps, I would first find and open the Google Maps app. Once it opens, you'll see either your current location or a random area on the map. At this point, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and then tap Location Sharing. When you do this, a panel will appear. Before sharing, make sure you have the email, phone number, or contact information associated with the other device you want to share your location with. That's how Google Maps sends the location. Next, tap Share Location, and you'll see options to choose how long you want to share. You can set it for 1 hour, several hours, or indefinitely until you manually turn it off. At the bottom, you'll see a list of contacts you can share with. Simply tap the person you want to share your location with, and that's all you need to do. From there, you can adjust the duration, stop sharing anytime, or share with someone else if needed. It's a very simple process, and that's it. So that's basically how you can share your location from iPhone to Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.